this video, we're going to find a missing number, and the missing number is going to be a decimal up to hundredths. Okay, so if we have a problem like this that says find the missing number, and we have 173.89 plus some number has to equal 800.00. So the first step is to find the number that makes the addition sentence true. So how do you do that? Let's rewrite this as a sentence. So this is how it would look as a sentence. 173.89 plus question mark equals 800.00. So you would need to get this question mark on its own, and to be able to do that, you would have to subtract 173.89 from both sides of the equal sign to find the answer. And you have to do that to both sides to balance the equation. You don't want it to be unbalanced, otherwise it won't make sense anymore. So let's do that. So 173.89 minus 173.89 plus the question mark equals 800.00 minus 173.89. So when we subtract this, we're left with 0. 0 plus question mark just leaves us with question mark. Now we can go ahead and do this subtraction. And so really, all you had to do is just subtract 173.89 from 800 when you see something like this to get the answer. Okay, I'm just trying to prove to you why we do it that way. So now we could actually go ahead and do the subtraction. So let's subtract. So 0 minus 9, we can't do it. We can't borrow anything from here. We can't borrow from here. We can't borrow from here. We can borrow from here. So 8 becomes a 7. All these other zeros become a 9. And then we put a 1 here. 10 minus 9 is 1. So if you could see here, we're borrowing actually kind of from this 8000 and it becomes 7999. If we borrow from a 1 from it, it'll become 7999, right? So think of it that way. So now we can do the rest of the subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. Don't forget to carry down the decimal. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So the answer is supposed to be 626.11. So how do we know if that's right? We would have to check. So how you do that is you take the original question, put in the number that you just found, 626.11, and then add to see if you get the number here of 800. So let's add that now. 9 plus 1 is 10. Let's carry the 1. 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. So we have to carry this 1. Don't forget to put down your decimal, okay? 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. Let's carry the 1. 7 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. Let's carry the 1. 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. So we got the right answer. That's how we know we did this correctly. Check. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. I also have links in the description to other videos of mine that can help you with some of the other concepts that I reviewed here. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson. You can follow along as you watch the video. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.